Hello. Ito na naman po. Si Tito Bullets. Nagbabalik para ipakita ang natapos na walang kakwenta-kwentang luto. Teka, ako lang sa ilaw. Okay. So, naluto na po yung ating steak. Ayan na siya. See, there's mushroom, there's tomatoes. Tapos, nilagyan ko ng gravy. But honestly, yung gravy ko is medyo smablay. So, hawiin natin to. Yan, so far okay naman siya. And I think, I was hoping na sana ay ano siya, sana medium rare, kasi I'm aiming for a medium rare steak. Okay, so reveal how many minutes. Sabi, but anyway, it's a cremated steak. Aray. Okay, so it's a cremated steak. Unfortunately, sablay ang aking attempt. But anyway, this will be the first of many videos coming from Tito Bullets. Bye-bye!